Welcome to ArcherPoint's presentation of NAV 2015 RDLC Report Heading Won't Print, a video blog presented by Denise Blaisdell.
Have you ever tried to run a report in NAV 2015 and found that the headers or the column headings on all the pages do not print? I'm going to show you what I mean by running the Accounts Receivable Aging report. When I preview this report, page 1 has headings at the top, and then it has some filter headings, and then it has some column headings. If I go to page 2, all of those headings are gone. So I'm going to show you where you can go to see if the issue can be resolved. If you go to the development environment, and find your report, go into design mode, then you go to view, layout, to go into Visual Studio. In Visual Studio, there's lines in the tablets. For this particular report, the first 2 lines are for printing a summary version of the report, and the bottom 2 header lines print if the detail of the report is printing. When you look over to the right, you'll see properties for each of the lines, but none of the properties in this section have anything to do with printing on every page. So what you have to do is you come down to this column groups section, click on the down arrow, and go into advanced mode. Once you do that, you'll see all these static lines come up. But you need to look at the static lines for the row groups. Once I click on one of these lines, you'll see that up top, the line that matches it is highlighted. If I click on the next one, the next line is highlighted up above. What you'll also see is you'll have a different property box over on the right with different properties that you didn't have on the lines earlier. The 2 fields that you're interested in to make the headings print on every page are keep together and repeat on new page. They should both be true. So I'm going to start at the top and change these all to true. Go to the next one, change this to true, and the third one, and the 4th one. Now, if I don't get them all, and I use the build function to compile the Visual Studio report, I get an error concerning that tablets. That just tells me that I missed one of them. And I did. I missed this last one. So I set that to true and recompile. Now, if you look down the bottom, I have successfully compiled the Visual Studio report. So now I can close this. That brings me back to Report Designer, and I say yes, that I want to save the layout change. Then I compile the report in Object Designer. And when I go back to RTC to run that report again, same report, preview, page 1 has its headings, and page 2 also has its headings.
We invite you to connect with Denise Blaisdell and the rest of the ArcherPoint team via LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and of course our blogs on www.archerpoint.com and www.dynamicsretailsoftware.com.